All right, crew. What it do? To do my very first unboxing on the channel, guys. I have already opened this because I need to make sure my stuff in it before the time crunch to come to go send it back. So let me show y'all what I bought. I bought a Christmas tree topper for the tree because I had to make a bow because I didn't have a silver topper for the tree. So I purchased this LED projector Christmas tree topper from Amazon. I know I love Amazon. I'm Amazon queen. And I think they also have a gold one. That's what the gold one looks like. However, I purchased the silver one. So, we're going to pull this handy dandy thing out, chimp. Let's see what it's all about. Okay. Oh, okay. She might be alright. Well, let's light her up and see. We're going to plug up real quick so y'all can get the full effect. Okay, so hold on. I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm going to move this for you. Let me know when you... Well, alright. Oh, let me move this. Okay. Alright, let me plug it up. See what she looking like. Hold on. Let's get the... I'm going to turn the light off and get the full effect. See. She's working with it. Okay, that's cute. I don't think it changed or nothing like that, but we're gonna put it on top of the Christmas tree and see how it looks over there. With the lights from the tree plus this. Okay. And this is what it looks like. Are you ready to go? Ooh, that's what I said. Are you ready? Okay.
You know, that was dirty. You should have warned me
I
before
did.
this frame.
Honey. I did.
You just say I'm gonna shine this light at the camera now. Be ready.
I did say be ready. When you rewind the back, you'll see.
I'm about to punch out and go take another break.
Oh wow. Okay, guys. So that's what I purchased. This little tree topper. Let me unplug her. I'll show y'all what she look like when she get on the tree. All right, guys. This is the other thing that I purchased. It's for the lights storage box because I find myself using some old paper towel roll holders to, you know, they come out the paper towel to hold my Christmas lights, and it's like real reckless. So I purchased this. This will be my first time using it, and I'm gonna see how it works. It said that it holds 4 light wraps. Oh, it includes 4 light wraps. Protects from dust, insects, and moisture. Preserve light strands from tangling. Festive holiday Christmas color. Okay, so when I open this up to put up my Christmas stuff, I'll let y'all see how it operates. All right, that's it. That's all for the unboxing right now. And I've got something else. I'll bring it back to you. All right, guys. I'm about to put this tree topper on my tree, but I got to unplug my Christmas tree and unplug up my extension cord so that I can be able to add the lights.
Careful with that mirror.
I'm bumping it. As I said, I'm bumping it so I can be still. All right, so we're gonna plug her. First, we gotta take my ribbon down. I made this ribbon, by the way. First time ever, guys. Try it. YouTube will teach you something. If I told you to stay ready, then you gotta get ready. YouTube taught me how to make this. YouTube, what they call it, university. It's the GOAT. It's the GOAT! Why didn't you make this come? So I have to probably fold my little thing down. I will have to fold this down one more. Let's see. Let's see. Ooh, she kind of heavy.
Heavy, heavy.
Yeah.
You can't force the top branches down and get it in there.
I may have to force them up to help hold it. Oh, she heavy. She got a little weight on. I can maneuver something here. Make it a little thicker.
There's a church on TV.
That's Kurt Franklin Christmas. I'm missing it too.
Another Christmas movie.
Oh yeah, it's a new one though. It ain't an old one. It ain't one you done seen already.
I know, but we've been watching Christmas movies for a month and a half now. I just want to see no more Christmas movies.
Well, baby, I'm sorry. You don't have to. Well, you don't have to, but you can. Okay. Ooh, she's still got it. I think she might do something.
I think she might fall.
Still got a little weight on. Just enough. Lights on, lights off. Lights on, lights off. It shows a nice little ladybug. What do you think, Daddy?
I think it looks nice. You might have to make sure the top part is anchored, considering the boy loves to run through here like he's on a concourse somewhere.
Yeah, I may reinforce it with another little piece of branch.
All right, and our frame is black. It's not black, but it's dark. Hit the lights.
Oh, lights on, lights off.
Lights on, please. Thank you.
She'll do. I guess. I reinforce her with another little piece of tree from on the side somewhere. But yes, Crombiesworld. That's our new tree topper for 2021 and maybe 2022. Catch you guys a little bit later.